email marketing revolution. Video number 14. Transactional emails. The 7 best services. Here's a primer to get started with transactional email sending services with tips to help you pick the perfect app for your need and integrate it with your apps and workflow. Transactional email service. A dedicated email sending service that'll make sure your emails get delivered no matter how many you need to send. 3 best reasons why you should outsource your emails. You can send more messages faster. You can ensure your message get delivered. You can do more with your emails. Let's find out some of the most popular transactional email services. Amazon SES, best known for S3, file storage in the cloud, and EC2, their servers in the cloud. Amazon also offers CDN services, online databases, DNS servers, and more. SendGrid, one of the largest service providers. It is designed to be simple to integrate into your app with a number of different APIs and supported client libraries. Mandrill. Mandrill includes almost every feature you'd want in all of its plans: dedicated IP addresses, in-depth analytics, template hosting, inbound email parsing, and more. Mailgun. Not only can it deliver your emails well, it even includes email validation features to check and make sure you're sending emails to valid addresses. Mailjet. You can customize Mailjet email template, store your customers' data, and use it to personalize your emails. Then use that data to segment your list and send the perfect emails to your audience. Sendin Blue. It's another app that includes email marketing along with a transactional email API. Postmark. Instead of having to subscribe to a certain plan or figure out what your price will be once you're sending a certain number of emails, Postmark lets you purchase email credits at the rate that works best for you and send them as you need. Conclusion. If you're sending thousands of emails a day through your app to millions of people, you'll very likely need a transactional email service, a dedicated email sending service. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.